everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have just started this channel, Keto with Elsa, and I, of course, am Elsa. So I thought I'd come on here and just tell you guys a little bit about me. I'm 43 years old, and I am a mother to 3 teenagers, as well as I work full-time. So I have been on keto since September 2018. The reason I went on keto is not because I was looking to lose a whole lot of weight or anything like that, even though, of course, I mean, who doesn't want to lose, a few pounds? But the main reason I started keto was because I was having a lot of digestive issues, in particular issues with my gallbladder, and had had doctors for many, many years telling me that I should remove my gallbladder. This past summer, it just got to a point where I was having 2 and 3 attacks a week. And I had been doing Weight Watchers for many, many years and was successful with Weight Watchers. And I think Weight Watchers is an excellent program. I was just ready for something new. So I did my research and watched some videos on YouTube. Quite honestly, I had no idea what keto was before then. So I was concerned because, of course, when you have issues with gallbladder, your doctor will tell you to eat a low-fat diet, as high fat can cause attacks. And keto just seemed like the complete opposite. So I was concerned that my symptoms would get worse. But I thought at this point, I've got nothing to lose. Let's just go ahead and try this. So I did start in September 2018. And amazingly enough, within the first couple of weeks, I started to feel so much better. A lot of my stomach issues seemed to improve, as well as the fact that I have not had a gallbladder attack since then. And we're now in January 2019. So I thought I would come on here and, start a YouTube channel. I have friends, co-workers, and family asking me sometimes, Elsa, what's that you're eating? And I'm, sharing my recipes with people. So I thought that this would be a way where I could come on and share recipes with you guys and just what I eat in a day videos, grocery hauls, as well as myself personally would love to try intermittent fasting, and that is something that I will be doing in the near future. I thought right now my goal would be just to get back on keto after the holidays, and even if that means eating 3 meals a day. But I would at some point like to, maybe start with skipping breakfast and doing 2 meals a day. And eventually, who knows, I may even be brave enough to try the 1 meal a day and explore the benefits to that. So thank you guys for listening, and again, welcome, and I really hope that you guys will join me in this keto journey. Subscribe to my channel, and together we can help each other stay accountable, live our best lives, and just support one another on this journey. Thanks, guys, and I hope to talk to you very soon. Bye.